How are you, my dear student? Good now. Today we are going to see aptitude class 6 standard task sheet 7. Let us call our public school Nanded. So let's see the first question. See, express something in a secret way is called coding. Express something in a secret way, that is called coding. So today we are going to see coding and decoding. Coding and decoding. So let's see the first question. First question is what? If April means December, if April means December, December means, see, April means December, December means August, August means January, then January means October. Then the Republic Day is celebrated in months of. So now you have to tell that Republic Day, when we celebrate a Republic Day, in which month? So see, we are celebrating a Republic Day in January. Okay, we are celebrating Republic Day in a January. So now see, in that question, see, January means what? January means October. January means what? October. So that January month is called as October. So see, then what's our answers? We are celebrating Republic Day in January, but January means what? That is, January means October. So our answer is October. Why? Because there in question given January means October. See here. So our answer is October. See, January means October. So that's why our answer is October. Now see the second question. In that second question, read the question. If a bed is called a sofa, if a bed is called a sofa, sofa is called almirah, then almirah is called chair, and then chair is called tables, and table is called curtain, and curtain is called rack. Then while studying we sit on, then we have to find out when we are doing a study, that time where we are sitting on which things. So while we are studying, where we have sit? So while we are studying, we are sit on chair. We are sit on chair. But in that question, chair, see here, a chair is called table. A chair is called table. Correct. So our answer is a table, because when we are doing study we are sitting on a chair, but in that question given, chair is called a table. Chair is called a table. So our answer is what? Then table is our answer. Now see the next question. Question number 3. That question number 3 given a wrong option. In a question number 3 there are given a wrong option. So that question is wrong only. Then let's see the question number 4. So in that question, in a certain code, watch is written as HCTAW. Then the same code basket will be written as. So see, watch written as HCTAW. Like that only we have to find out basket how we will write in that code. So see, watch, see here, W means W, here W showing H, A showing C, T showing T only, then C showing A, and H showing W. Correct. W replaced by H, A replaced by C, T replaced by T only, C replaced by A, and H replaced by W. So like that only we have to find out option which option is matching to the basket. Now see, here is given, but in that option their answer is A, B, S, E, K, T. So B is replacing A is replacing by B, S is replacing by S only, then K is replacing by E, and E is replacing by K, and T replacing by T only. So our answer is what? B1 option. So basket is represent as ABSEKT. So answer is B1. Now see the question number 5. In that question number 5, see the question. If a circle is called rectangle, rectangle is called sphere, sphere is called triangle, triangle is called square, and square is called cuboid. Then the area of shape is side into side. Then the area of shape is what? Side into side. So we know the area of shape. We know the area of shape who has side into side. Side into side means what? Sides square. Then we know the formula. This formula, side into side, is formula of square. That is formula of side into side is what? Whose area of side into side? That is square. Okay, area of square is side into side. Then, but in question said square is called a cuboid. Square is called a cuboid. So our answer is cuboid only. Why? Because area of square is side into side, but in that question given a square is called cuboid. Then our answer is cuboid only. See, shape which has formula side into side, that is square, and that square is called as cuboid. So our answer is cuboid only. Now see the sixth one question. In that sixth one question, if a tree is called air, air is called water, water is called sun, sun is called human, human is called earth, then while raining we get, so while raining we get, what we will get? We will get rain. While raining we will get water. But in question that is given, see, sun is called human and human is called earth, then like that only water is called sun. Water is called what? When while the raining we will get water, but in that question water is called sun. Water is called sun. So our answer is what? Sun. Our answer is sun. Water is called a sun, that's why our answer is sun. While raining we will get water, but water is called the sun. Water is called the sun, so our answer is sun only. Now see the seventh one question. In that seventh one question, if the code of mother is 693571 and the code of auntie is 84209, then the code of Mary we have to find out. So let's see, in that question, M's replaced by 6, O replaced by 9, T replaced by 3, H replaced by 5, E replaced by 7, and R replaced by 1. So like that only, A replaced by 8, U replaced by 4, then N replaced by 2, T replaced by 0, and Y replaced by 9. So using this code, using this two code, we have to find out the code of Mary. The code of Mary. So see, M it is replacing by 6. M it is replacing by 6. So see, here also M given. So M we have to replace by 6 only. Then after M there is a. Then AC, here A replaced by 8. Here A replaced by 8. So like that only A replaced by 8 only. Then here is a given double R. See, in that code R is representing 1. R is representing 1. So these are representing 1 only and these are also representing 1 only. Correct. And now see, in that code Y is representing 9. Y is representing 9. So like that only Y is represent here 9 only. So see, in that option, where is 68119? So that is D1 option, that is D1 option. Or whichever is given code in that word and numbers, that only we have to take alphabet which replaced by number, that only we have to take in that code. So now see in 8-1 question. So 8-1 question is like that only 7th question. So if the code packet is 258376 and the code of blue is 1097, then the code of plate we have to find out. Now see in that question, P replaced by 2 means P representing 2, A representing 5, C representing 8, K representing 3, E representing 7, then T representing 6. So like that only blue word also representing 1097. So B representing 1, L representing 0, U representing 9 and E representing 7. Correct. So like that only see this packet representing this number and blue representing this number. So like that only we have to find out what is the code of plate. So see in that option P representing 2. So in that plate first alphabet is P, then like that only P representing 2 only. So like that only see here L representing 0, then L we have to replace by 0 only. Then see here A is representing 5, then here A we have to replace by 5 only. So T is representing 6, so T replaced by 6 only. Then E representing 7, then E representing 7, so E replaced by 7. So see our code of plate is what? 20,567. So see in that option where it is. A option is correct. A option is correct. Now see the 9th one question. In that 9th one question, this 9th one question, it is same like a first question and second question. So see in that 9th one question, blue is called yellow, yellow is called green, then green is called red, and then the color of turmeric is what? Then the color of turmeric is what? Then blue is called yellow and yellow is called green, then green is called red, then the color of turmeric. We know what is the color of turmeric? That is yellow. Okay, color of turmeric is what? Yellow. But yellow is called green. Yellow is called, see here, in that question yellow is called green. So that's why our answer is green. Why? Because turmeric it is a color of yellow, but that yellow color is representing a green color, so that's why green is a answer. Color of turmeric is a yellow, but yellow is called green, so our answer is green only. Now see the 10th one question. This 10th one question is same like a 4th one question. See in that question, in a certain code, cover is written as BNUDQ, then the same code of NU means number. So written as. So see in that question, cover is representing BNUDQ. So like that only number is representing which code? So see in that, see cover is representing BNUDQ. So C representing B, O representing N, V representing U, E representing D and R representing Q. So have you observed student, B after C will come, N after O will come, U after V will come, then D after E will come, then Q after R will come. So that is that alphabets are, that B is after C, so that are the continuous letters. Correct, that are the continuous letters. So B replacing by C, N replacing by O. So these are the continuous letters only. So B is after C, N after O, U after V, correct, D after E, then Q after R. So like that only, M after which alphabet will come? That is N. Then T after U, L after M, A after B, then D after E, and Q after R. So our okay, then the numbers, code of number is what? M, T, L, A, D, Q. Correct. So this is our answer.